So this is behind Sagicor. Because like whenever it's close to that, capture all the heat from outside and go where? Meadows of Irwin, based on what the taxi driver said. And he said in order to see the work that they're doing on the Montego Bay perimeter road, I need to walk down this road, turn right, and then walk down. Based on what he says, they've cordoned off the area, so I have no idea if they're going to allow me. Able to go close enough to the property to show you guys what's going on there. I don't know if some of the work is being done over that side as well. So this is inside the community. This road is called Irwin Boulevard. I kind of come out of the taxi and decided to see if I could see the perimeter road, and so I'm gonna get to drive through Meadows of Irwin, unfortunately. And see, I go there and the people them tell me I can't come on. So I should have just stayed in the taxi and drive through Meadows of Irwin. Nevertheless, that is how the thing's set up, and this is the only section I can show you guys at the moment. I'm waiting on my drive to come to carry me back around.